Hello my dear friends, I'm Kirill and today I'd like to show you my alternative model for the LEGO Technic set 42147. To be honest, I'm not too happy with the result, but it is what it is. I think this is a kind of auxiliary compact cranes, like spider crane we've seen as an official Technic set. So this is not a huge mighty machine, but something small that can help you to lift something or, for example, to move some heavy objects from one place to another. Let's take a look at the functions. The model has a steering mechanism. The steering angle is pretty small though. Here you can see two 12-teeth gears, and we must provide non-integer spacing 1.5 stat to make them work correctly. I didn't manage to make this structure strong, so it clicks when I turn in one direction. Of course it works, but in one direction it's not enough reinforced. Also, my model has outriggers like the real machines. To improve stability, it's better to use longer axes, but in the set 42147 we have no other options, and these panels are used here just because I have nothing else. What's next? We can rotate the superstructure, and now it's time to deploy the boom. It is formed out of two big panels and it's really easy to connect and disconnect them, and when connected the boom is really strong. This is a hook. It can be modified according to expected load. And here we have one more handle, of course, to raise the boom. This mechanism has a lock in the upper position, and also here you can see automatically activated lights. So, speaking about the load, I've created from the rest of the pieces some kind of, maybe it is part of a big truss. Anyway, we can try to lift it, just to demonstrate. Yeah, something like this. This truss is really light, so you can see that the crane is stable, but of course, yeah, its transverse stability must be improved, and it's really easy to achieve by replacing this short axis by longer axis. So what else? Here you can see maybe control buttons, and only a few pieces are left unused. So this is definitely not the best of my models. Mechanisms must be reinforced, but I like that the model contains a decent amount of realistic functions. Please share your thoughts about this crane below the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!